This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears with gelatin. We'll walk through a super easy method to create these chewy treats right in your own kitchen. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up a batch with only about 15 minutes of hands-on work. Get ready to enjoy a fun, customizable snack that's perfect for any occasion. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of your preferred fruit juice. Just avoid fresh pineapple or kiwi. Next, grab 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder, which is key for that classic gummy texture. Finally, have 1/4 cup of honey or your chosen liquid sweetener on hand. Don't forget your silicone gummy bear molds. Now let's get mixing. Pour your fruit juice into a small saucepan, then sprinkle in the unflavored gelatin. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. This blooming step helps prevent lumps. After blooming, add your honey and gently warm the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until everything is completely dissolved. Be careful not to boil it. Once smooth, carefully pour the liquid into your molds. Almost there. Once your molds are filled, carefully transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 15 to 30 minutes or longer for a firmer chew. When they're perfectly set, gently pop your adorable gummy bears out of their molds. They're ready to enjoy immediately. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.